All right, so we've talked. You've given me lots of stories.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a song.
Okay. Well, do you want a story for the song or just a song?
If it's got a story, go ahead and tell it.
Because I'm going to play a really simple song that came to me recently when I got out on a ferry boat in the Caribbean, on the Caribbean coast of Honduras, going out to one of the Bay Islands, and the boat started really rocking and rolling when it got out of harbor. It was quite a big boat, but it still had a good sway to it, and with the breeze and everything, and actually everybody taking off their COVID masks for the first time. And people were feeling like, I don't have to wear this thing. So a lot of people on board took off their masks, and there was a sense of freedom. And the boat was rolling, and I was loving it. And I thought, God, I miss this. I really like this, rolling out on the sea. And I couldn't help but notice that some of the other passengers were not feeling the same way. They were looking green and reaching for the sick bags and things. But by the time I got to the other side, I had written this little song, which I like to play with the band, but I'll play it now because it's easy and I can remember it. Out on the rolling sea, I can feel my spirit rise. Out on the rolling sea, it's good to be alive. Out on the rolling sea, well, I've been away too long. Out on the rolling sea, singing my freedom song. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Yes, I'm gonna roll. Now some folks' lives are easy, others' lives are tough. Some folks like smooth sailing, while others like it rough. I'm just trying to ride the waves wherever they may roll, trying to do the best I can with all my heart and soul. I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna roll. Yes, I'm gonna roll. I'm out on the rolling sea, singing my freedom song. Out on the rolling sea, I've been